Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to make it so the Google Assistant is enabled by saying OK Google or Hey Google on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, go to settings, or if there is no shortcut, scroll down from the top of your screen and press this little gear button. In settings, scroll all the way down to the Google section. In here, go to all services, scroll down to looking for search assistant and voice. Press Google Assistant. Here we're looking for voice match. Enable Hey Google. Press more, press agree, of course read all this, press next, and it might have trouble recognizing your voice, so first retrain your voice match model. Press here, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note, and simply follow the commands the phone gives you. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So after that, press next. And now it should work. Hey Google, what's the lifespan of a chinchilla?
A long-tailed chinchilla can live on average 10 years in a...
So now it works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.